Meals from an official, unofficial chef. Today we making pulled barbecue chicken sandwiches. So first I took my onions and started to, grill those. Had to grill the onions. Then I added the garlic, mixed that all together with some tomato sauce. Added that sauce, then we started going off. Gave that a mix, and then I had to add that barbecue. Now, I don't know why I filmed the barbecue like this because I definitely made a mess. Put 5 tablespoons and it looked like a face. That was actually pretty funny. Mixed that face up and it was time for that chicken. Just add all that chicken in there. Just add the whole ripped up rotisserie chicken. Give it one last mix. Man, that thing lasted on the plate for probably -2 seconds. Hey, I couldn't even make this video damn near. Let me know what you want us to make next.